Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase installed RAM. First, let's assess your current setup. You'll want to determine how much RAM your computer currently has and how much of it is being used during typical tasks. This helps you understand if an upgrade is truly necessary. Also, find out the maximum amount of RAM your motherboard can support and the specific type of RAM modules it uses. This crucial information guides your upgrade decisions and ensures compatibility. Once you know your system's requirements, it's time to choose new RAM. Ensure the new modules match your existing RAM's type, like DDR4 or DDR5, and its speed. For optimal performance, consider installing RAM in pairs for dual-channel operation, or even 4 modules for quad-channel if your motherboard supports it. Always buy from a trusted brand to guarantee reliability and compatibility with your system. Now for the installation. First, power down your computer completely and unplug all cables. Open your computer case carefully to access the motherboard. Locate the RAM slots, which are usually near the CPU. If you're replacing old RAM, unclip and remove it. Then, align the new RAM module with the slot's notch and press down firmly and evenly on both ends until the clips on the sides snap into place, securing the module. After installing the new RAM, close your computer case and reconnect all peripherals. Power on your computer and immediately enter your system's BIOS or UEFI settings. Here, you should see the updated RAM capacity. Once your operating system loads, you can also verify the new amount of installed RAM through System Information settings. Enjoy the improved performance and responsiveness of your upgraded computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.